Yo, here I am about to get ready to do this ride, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick Bears minute on the last game, week 9. Bears versus Cincinnati got the win 47-42 in walk-off fashion. You got Caleb Williams with the pass to Colston Loving on the last play of the game to get the win. It was a tough win. The offense was steady, strong. They put up points and stayed in the shootout, so give them credit. Big runs by Kyle Monangai, that's huge. Can't refuse that. And they needed to, because the defense was bad. Defense just let Cincinnati and Flacco walk up and down the field, so they got to fix that. And the special teams was horrible. Oh man, giving up the open kickoff. So a lot of work to do. 47-42, bear down. On to the Giants. Let's get it.